this is Carlos again. In this video, I will show you our production process of LED strip light. Attach a production flow chart to give you a general idea of the process. Okay, let's go to the site now. We are a dust-free and static-free factory, so before entering the production line, we should wear the anti-static clothing and through the automatic voice air shower. Here is our production line waterproof of LED strip. Firstly, I'm showing you the production processing of our IP52 silicon coating LED strip. After finish aging testing of non-waterproof LED strip, we fix LED strip on aluminum channel with 3M tape. The pre-figured silicon glue is put in machine and start dropping. After finishing dropping, the LED strip and channel will be moved and placed on the cell for air dry around 8 hours. We will take the 3M tape off once the silicon glue is completely dry and clean the back of LED strip. Then put on heat shrink tube to protect the soldering pad. Testing, stick 3M tape aging testing and package. Okay, so much for production processing of our regular waterproof LED strip. Let's go for next product. See you.